Alrighty guys, it's about 2:35 in the morning and the first severe weather notification came through my WR120 over there on the counter, or nightstand, my ear 10, and my HH54 VP2. I've actually got two VP2s right here. One of them is disabled, but I have two VP2s right here. I'll turn one on here. It's not going to show the notification because it was on night mode, but I have an extra in case the battery dies on one of them. But let's go on and listen to the National Weather Service real quick.
Late in the morning. Sunny in the afternoon.
See if it says that watch.
Highs in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, increasing to southwest 15 to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Saturday night, clear in the evening and becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
I'm going to get my laptop so I can see what the weather's going on. I'm going to put you down for a second.
Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Light winds. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then cloudy with a 50% chance of light rain after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, rain showers likely and isolated thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation 70%. Tuesday night, cloudy with chance of rain showers and isolated thunderstorms in the evening, then rain showers likely and scattered.
We're going to see what Tulsa says.
Windy.
They just issued the notification about 2 minutes ago.
Chance of precipitation 70%. Wednesday, rain showers likely and scattered thunderstorms in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Windy. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of precipitation 70%. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs around 60. Thursday night, mostly clear.
2:35 in the morning.
Lows in the mid-30s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 10 in effect until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, and Washington. In Kansas, Labette and Montgomery. In Missouri, Berry and McDonald. In Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Craig, Creek, Delaware, McIntosh, Mays, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable.
Ooh, yeah, they're already gotten some garbage picking up. Oh, it disappeared. No. I'll open it back up. Okay, I'm going to listen to this.
Issued at 5:16 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe storms expected late tonight into early Saturday. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. For this afternoon and tonight, tornado. Risk limited. Area mainly south of Interstate 40.
Here's the garbage, guys. First cell, at least. And that's already some nasty weather right there in Tulsa.